A few moments later.
Here we go.
The insert junk algorithm will look for line in the lines of code and insert junk code. The NOP instruction is added as junk code to the small files by the NOP algorithm to increase the program's processing workload by adding the NOP instruction in method, locals, cond, and goto through filtering. The NOP function insert addition junk NOP instructions into the small files so as to increase the runtime of the application. It will look for keywords like method, local, cond or goto and add in the NOP code. The line and comment removal function will iterates through the entire small files to filter out any codes that contains .line or hashtag and replace it with an empty line. Using the for loop, this function will filter out the codes containing keywords such as annotations, end annotation, return and methods. The lines will be appended into an array. Methods and end annotation will be appended into the start index array. Return and annotation will be appended into the end index array. The application will use these data to determine the lower and higher limits of the small file that has to be changed. Codes that have been marked for edit will be appended with goto or both, depending on which criterion has been met. Using the reshuffle data, start index, end index, method, the data will also be used to identify the area that needs to be shuffled. After running the reorder function, we have identified the area of the codes that can be shuffled. We created an array, new, that will store all the lines of codes that cannot be shuffled and another array, hold, that will store all the codes that will be shuffled. After running the random shuffle function in the hold array, we will insert the shuffled data into the unshuffled, new array. Lastly, the new array will replace the current codes in the program. Except for main activity, the class rename algorithm obfuscates the names of all small files. The dictionary dict renamed keeps track of the mapping between the original and obfuscated file names. Such mapping technique does not affect the content of the files, and by having access to the dictionary of translation gives access to the original directories. Using the library module regex, it uses a regular expression to find a specific set of strings and to match the pattern. This is useful for finding the comments because comments usually start with either hashtag, double slashes or slash with asterisk. The regex is very useful for searching for specific patterns, and hence it is being used to remove the comments. Once the pattern is found, it will remove the comment by making it null to empty. Similarly, for the removal of logging information, it uses the library module regex too. The reason is because there is a specific pattern to the logging information which comes in the form of Android util log and followed by the information afterwards. Once the pattern is found, it will remove the comment by making it null to empty.